Now, how long does it take to get affiliated on Twitch? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. So in this video we're going to be discussing about how long does it really take to become a Twitch affiliate. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you've been a Twitch streamer for a while and then you're wondering how long does it really take for you to become an affiliate partner, so well, in that case what you actually want to do is, first of all, just open up Twitch TV website, right? Then just click on the profile icon from the top right, and then over here you simply want to go to the option that says create a dashboard over here, as you can see. And then once you come to the create a dashboard tab over here, you will come to this type of interface, of course, and then on the left hand side you simply want to go to analytics, and then you want to go to achievements. So once you go to analytics and achievements, on the right hand side you can see 4 stages to becoming a Twitch partner or an affiliate. So first of all, it begins: start your first stream, explore your dashboard, update your stream title, and update your category. The second step is to build a community, so reach at least 50 followers, get 5 people chatting at the same time. Then you have the option to become an affiliate. So in order to become a Twitch affiliate, you have to reach at least 50 followers and then stream for at least 8+ hours, and then stream on 7 different days, and an average of 3 viewers on each specific stream. So that is the one thing you want to keep in mind. The other is, if you still want to get a further step above and beyond that, there is a partner affiliate program, so which is passed to a partner. For this you need to be streaming for 25+ hours and then stream on 12 different days and have an average of 75 viewers in one specific stream. So you want to just keep that thing in mind. And this is simply it as to how you can really take it to become an affiliate on Twitch. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.